Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
Confirm your Redmi 14C runs MIUI with Android 13 or later. Open Settings and check system updates if unsure. Enable navigation gestures or show the Recents button in Settings. Go to Display, then Full Screen Display to set gestures if needed. Pick apps that support multi-window. Some apps block split screen. Update those apps in Google Play for best compatibility. Charge your phone over 20% before heavy multitasking. Have both apps. Open the first app and tap the app icon from Recents. If you use gestures, swipe up and hold to open Recents. Choose Split Screen from the app menu to dock the first app. The top window will appear with a divider across the screen. Select the second app from Recents or the home screen to fill the bottom. If the second app is not compatible, choose another compatible app instead. The split layout activates instantly, and both apps become interactive for multitasking. Drag the divider to resize windows or use half-screen presets. Use a central handle to move the divider and balance view. Tap the three-dot menu in the top app to access pair or swap options. Press the home button or swipe up to close split screen entirely. Drag the divider fully to the top or bottom to maximize one app. Use App Pair or Floating Window for frequent multi-app workflows and faster switching. Restart the phone if split screen behaves erratically after updates.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.